Avon families. I hope you are enjoying the summer. As much as I love summer, I love the back to school season even more. There's always so much excitement and energy in the air as everyone prepares for the first day of school and beyond. As good as the 23-24 school year was, I believe the 24-25 school year will be even better. I'm reaching out today to update you on several important items as we plan to start this school year. First, our new school year guide. I encourage you to check out the Avon Schools website to view the new school year guide, which contains all the information you need to prepare for July 31st, the first day of school and beyond. You'll find new student enrollment information, a list of back-to-school events, school supply list, links to helpful parent apps, transportation information, and much more. Be sure to bookmark the page and stop by often as you prepare for the start of school. Second, I wanted to update you on our construction projects. As you've driven around our community, you've no doubt seen lots of orange barrels, new developments, and construction zones. Our community is growing, and that brings with it our continued efforts to renovate and expand our school buildings to make room for more. I'm proud to say all of our projects are being completed with no extra cost to taxpayers and without the use of referendum funds. In exactly 1 year, all of our projects will be complete. Between now and then, you'll continue to see a lot of activity around our schools. The Avon High School project reaches a major milestone this month with the opening of the new main entrance, classrooms, and offices on the northwest corner of the building. The cafeteria and commons updates will be complete when students return to school in July, and construction of 2 new classroom additions is now underway right along County Road 150 South, as sections of the original 25-year-old parts of that building undergo a much-needed refresh. Construction at our new middle school, Avon Middle School West, is on pace for completion in summer of 2025. In a couple of weeks, you can visit the Avon Middle School West website to see the latest construction updates from Principal Dan Chapin. I'm here at Avon Middle School South, and both Middle School South and North are currently being expanded. South Principal Dan Pio and North Principal Mike McKinney will both soon be providing updates so that you can find more information on their websites as well. Construction of a kindergarten wing at Avon Intermediate School East is underway, and students and staff at Avon Intermediate School West will see their 20-year-old school receiving much-needed interior updates this school year. Finally, smaller classroom additions are also underway at Cedar, Maple, and River Birch Elementary Schools, and the renovation and expansion project at Pine Tree Elementary wraps up this month. Third, we will make important decisions this year regarding the future structure of our schools. Approximately 18 months ago, after a long and detailed process in which many students, parents, staff, and community were involved, we chose a strategic expansion plan for our schools that enables us to keep pace with our growing student enrollment, to make room for more students. The renovation and expansion projects that I just told you about all support that plan. As a reminder, this coming school year is the last in our current structure. At the start of the 25-26 school year, our 3 middle schools will begin serving students in grades 6 through 8. Intermediate East and West will transition to become our 7th and 8th elementary schools, and all 8 elementaries will then begin serving students in grades kindergarten through 5th. One of the big reasons we're excited about this structure is that it eliminates one school transition for our students. This shift in our structure is significant, and I'd like to ask for your help and your input. We're looking for parents, employees, or community members to participate on our redistricting committee. This group will work together over the course of several evening sessions in August and September to discuss redistricting boundaries and consider school start and end times. Along with community input, the committee's recommendations will enable our Board of School Trustees to make informed redistricting decisions in early November. This timeline will allow all of us approximately 8 months to implement these changes in time for the start of the 25-26 school year. To learn more or to indicate your interest in serving on the redistricting committee, please visit avonschools.org/redistricting. My fourth update is about cell phones in our schools. A new state law was passed by the Indiana legislature that took effect July 1. Senate Bill 185 restricts students from using cell phones, tablets, laptops, and gaming devices during instructional time unless approved by a teacher for educational purposes only. It is designed to address concerns about increasing distractions, cyberbullying, and safety risks that can be due to unrestricted cell phone use in schools. We have already limited cell phone use in our elementary, intermediate, and middle schools, so our high school students are the ones who are primarily affected by this change. High school students and families, I understand you likely have questions. You can expect to hear more from Mr. Shockley and the team at Avon High School. In the meantime, and I say this both as an educator who's well aware of the distractions caused by cell phone use in schools, and as a father of 2 teenagers, I understand the discomfort and frustration this may cause for students and parents. But I see that this is a good piece of legislation. When we implemented the no cell phone policy at our middle schools, some students and families were frustrated at first, but they quickly became comfortable with the rule. If you ask our middle school educators, most will say they're grateful that we made that change a couple of years ago. We will work together at Avon High School during this adjustment period, but I am confident we'll all adjust to the new legislation after a few short weeks. Finally, I want to talk about being Avon Proud. We have a lot to be proud of here in Avon, and we want to celebrate that together. At your children's back-to-school events, you'll have the opportunity to pick up Avon Proud yard signs and window clings to display at your home or on your vehicle in the coming months. These signs were sponsored by our friends at Hendricks Regional Health and Performance Services, and supplies are limited. So make sure you take advantage of this opportunity to display some black and gold in your home or on your vehicle and let everyone know how proud you are to be a part of the Avon Schools community. Thank you for your attention to this message, and thank you for your support in the upcoming school year as we dedicate ourselves to ensuring that Avon Schools remains a place where all belong, learn, and grow.